This video quickly puts you through on how to change stock currency in Shopify account. Maybe the default currency is a local currency and you want to switch to maybe USD or Great British Pounds. Learn how to do that in easy steps. The first step is to launch a web browser. Once your browser opens, visit shopify.com and log in. All right, I'm logged into my Shopify profile. Okay, so I'm in my account section. The next step you need to take is to click on this settings, which is at the bottom left. Once this settings page opens, you see some things about your store, including your billing address, but in this case, it's hidden for security reason. All right. So the next step you need to take is to get to this section where you have currency display. Okay. Click on these three dots here, the three dots there, and then select change store currency. Once you get to this pop-up here, click on this drop down and select a different currency of your choice. Let's say you want it to be in British pounds. So click on that. Okay. And here select the reason why you are changing the currency. Maybe default currency does not match my intended choice. All right. Click on that. And after that, click on save. If you are prompted on the new page, you'll be taken to click on save. Please click on save and you're good to go. That's it. I don't want to change, so I'll cancel it. I just showed you how to do that. You can check out this video here to learn how to unlock your Shopify store for the public to see. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.